Okay, so step 1, grab your phone or your computer. Step 2, click on the website. And step 3, get paid. This is how easy today's method is. 3 simple steps. Use your phone or your computer to click on the website and get paid, just like that. People from different countries in the world are using this method. No matter where you are, you can use it to make money again and again online starting today. All you need is literally just a connected device, a computer or a smartphone, and you can do it for 100% free. No upfront payments, no investment, no skill, no experience, nothing. Just a device, internet, and you get paid. Okay, so before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Whoa Money. We post consistent content helping you guys make money online and build an online passive income stream to become 100% financially free from home. Also, check our website, wowmoney.net, where you can find all the details about how you can make money online and make up to $500 every single day. Now let's jump into today's video, but make sure to keep watching till the end, because at the end of this video, I will be sharing with you guys a tip to multiply your earnings using this method. Now here's the first website called LightGPT. You can earn money with this website in 4 different ways. You can see here that the first way is PTC and video ads. PTC basically stands for paid to click. So you click and make money. Second way is offer walls and GPT CPA, short links, and faucet. Now the easiest and most profitable way is PTC and video ads. You can see here that the score in this method is 100%. You literally just click on videos or on website and you get paid for that. This is mind-blowing. You can make an income over and over again just clicking on videos and websites. And that is how people from over the world are making money on this website, just using their phone or computer and making a ton of money over and over again. Now to sign up, all you have to do is click on the register button right here. You fill in the registration form, then they will ask you to click or select something from the list. And then you click on register down here, and that is all you need to do to register. Of course, do not use a VPN or register multiple times, otherwise you will be banned from the website. Now if you like this video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and hit the like button. We would really appreciate it. Now once you register, you will land on this dashboard page here. And what you have to do is click on earn right here. And you will find all the earnings opportunities. And the one we are interested in is PTC and videos. So let's click on PTC and see what they offer. And here you have all the different links to click in. And for each click, you will earn money. Now let's click on one of them just to see what it looks like. And here you will land in another website where you don't have to do anything. You just wait 10 seconds and close the page and you will earn your money. Make sure to scroll a little bit in the website. Do kind of a surfing in the website to prove that you're not a robot. Otherwise, the website could ban you or block your account, thinking that you are using bots and robots and algorithms that will automate the operation for you. Once again, it's very simple. Just browse on the website, stay there for 10 minutes and earn your money. Really, this is all you have to do, nothing else. Okay, let's click on videos and see what they offer. And here you have a bunch of videos that you can click on and just watch them. And you will earn money thanks to that. So if I click on one of the videos, you can see that I don't have to do anything. I'm just watching the video and I'm getting paid for it. And here you can see that a green bar just popped up and it's saying that my account has been credited with the video's money. This is absolutely crazy. I didn't do anything, literally nothing. And still I got paid for that. Now here's a little tip to make a lot more money. Well, just open multiple websites at the same time, browse on them for 10 minutes at the same time, and you will make money faster and get a higher amount of money per day. Also, there's this new opportunity that they lately added, and that's surveys. Now, usually surveys make a lot more money than other earning opportunities, so let's check them and see what kind of surveys there is. And you can see here that they're saying even if your profile doesn't match the survey, you are still getting a participation bonus. Isn't this crazy? And down here you have all the different surveys. For example, since we just created the profile, the website doesn't have all the information about us. So they just offer us one survey to test and discover our profile. And you can see that you will get paid 0.8 US dollars to just answer the questions of this survey. Now here's another website where you can make even more money, bucksinside.com. And the reason why we would suggest this website is because you can cash out instantly once you receive your first $2. So you just click on register, you fill in the form, and here you have the different currencies and multiple payment options as well. But we would suggest using PayPal money, if you have PayPal account of course. Because PayPal is more secure and you get your money very faster compared to other payment methods. Now once you finish filling up the form, you have to click on register button right here. And that's all, you are good to go. You just created the account on Bucks Inside. And you will be able to start clicking on website just the way I showed you on lightgpt.com. And you will make more money because they pay more on PTCs than LightGPT does. And also because they have unlimited ads. So you can open as many websites at the same time as you want. There will always be ads for you to click on. And again, this website can be used worldwide. Whatever country you are in the world, you can use this website. And it's absolutely free, 100% no money invested. And you don't have to do anything, just click and get paid. Now, our advice is to focus on video ads to maximize your earnings. Video ads pay a lot more money than just links. You will get higher amount of money watching videos. And as I previously showed you, you literally don't do anything. You just click on the video and you will get paid for it. This is a real way to make money online. And again, you can click on multiple videos at the same time. So not only you will get paid more money watching videos, but when opening multiple videos at once, you are literally multiplying your earnings, which is great. Especially for beginners. If you are just starting your online money making journey, first of all, you are in the right place. Our channel is made for you. And also, this method is really an easy way for you to make money using just a smartphone or a computer and internet. So if you are a beginner, we would advise you to follow this tutorial step by step and learn how to make an extra money online. And also, if you are a beginner in the field, we would also advise you to click on the link in the description or just check our website wowmoney.net, where we teach you how to make up to $500 every single day. And you're going to be able to make this type of money from the comfort of your house. So consider checking our website. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And let us know in the comments whether you tried these websites or not and whether you like them or not. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.